a dog named Jane.
Look at this Jane. He's super cute, right?
And she's super cute. She's only 6 years old.
Yeah, he's cute.
She's cute.
Look.
And don't forget Chippy.
And he's a girl. Just look at him. He's a girl. He's a girl. But- but-
She's literally adorable, like Kitty.
Oh my god, he's like adorable.
Her real name is Chibu.
Yeah.
So guys, you can
His
call
real
her,
name is
you can
Chibu.
call her Chibu. And I'm gonna change my channel name to Chibu the dog.
Yeah, oh my god, wait, that's a perfect name for Jane. Yeah. So it has been pretty sad for Jane because he has not been partaking a walk. But
Yes.
no, Jane.
No, Jane, do not
Pagatin.
eat the phone. Chop, chop,
Yes.
chop. Bad girl.
Okay. So just look at Jane. He's super cute. Yeah.
Ah,
When he's super sad, he will. No, he's doing that.
No,
right?
Jane.
Oh,
Oi!
just look at Jane.
Oh, shit.
So cute. Lisa, don't swear.
Oh, shit.
Look at this cutie.
This
But
cutie
now-
is my baby.
Okay. Oh my God! No! Don't eat the phone.
No,
Oh my
Jane.
God! Jane is eating the phone.
Bad girl.
Oh, no, no. Oh my God! Jane is climbing for me.
Bad girl.
Okay, you just look at Jane. He's super cute.
And
Jane is super cute.
let's get out of here, bro. I smell her thigh, bro.
Oh my God! Just look at her.
What? There's so many thighs, bro. She's eating your milk, bro. She's eating your milk.
Okay, guys. So we are gonna end this video, and if you want to call just names, we want to decide names because yun isn't the perfect name for her. So
And Chibu the dog is so perfect.
yeah, but we have to find another one so we can find. Okay.
Well,
So guys, bye, Lisa. Go say bye.
bye. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye bye.